Start speaking English from this today. You try, but you fail. Even you everyday practice to make sentence with new words, with easy sentence, but your mind goes blank. Actually, here's what's the problem. Is there any solution? Obviously, there is a lots of solution to fix the problem. Don't worry, today's in this video, I will talk about a very important strategy that gonna help you, and we also talk about how to start speaking English with confidence or easy way. Let's dive in. And hey, this is Tonmoy and I am a Webflow and Wix developer. So if you need any website like a pro or any bug fixing, problem solving, so you have to contact with me. I am always with you, and yes, you hire me for remote jobs. By the starting of this video, I want to say you that why actually happens. I think why this happens. It's obviously happens when you get fear to start the journey, when you don't be consistent in your way that what you want to be or what you want in your lives, is that you get fear and you feel stuck and you don't create any sentence, and without practice you never speak in English. Always start with easy words. So what I'm telling you that gonna change in your life, obviously I will say you for important smartest way that gonna change your life and you perfectly speak in English if you implement in your life these steps. Hey there, if you new here, my name is Tonmoy and I make video on improving your English, personal development, and also sometimes financial advice, because you know that I read books in every morning, and that from there I pick up a niche or I pick up a topic that I think that this is very important for my subscriber, for my audience in their real life, and this topic I also reveal in my video. So yes, don't skip the video, because if you skip, you lose a lots of information in your real life. Watch the video till the end and let's begin. Now we move on. Chapter number 1. You don't need perfect grammar to speak English confidently. Yes, this is true, and this is the smartest way and perfect way to speak in English fastly. You don't seem that I want to be English speaker in 6 months or 1 year, I think properly. No, you can't do that. But obviously, if you try, gradually you speak in English. So why I am saying that you don't need perfect or boring grammatical part. As a human, we always fear watching grammatical part in our lives, and I am also same. Yes. And you see the result that without grammatical parts, I just speak in English in front of you, in front of your camera phones. Yes, this is the best way to speak in English. So what is the best way to speak in English without grammatical parts? Is that in every day you read books. And I say before that I read books in every morning. And then from that I pick up a topic, a niche, and that I reveal in my every videos. That helps my subscriber, that gonna change mindset for my audience. So you have to same thing in apply in your life and listening podcast in every day. You follow English content creator, not watch movie. Please listening podcast with caption that help you, that gonna change your life. And yes, this is the best strategy to start speaking English, to improve your English gradually, without fear, without doubt. You know, when we start, we always doubt that I can't do that. It also same, because I also feel the same way when I was start the journey. when I'm a beginner. Now we move on. Talk to yourself. I think chapter number 2. This is best ever smartest way to speak English and to remove your fear. You know, fear is an indomitable part of our life, and also confidence is an indomitable part of our life. But here is the thing, and here's the secret, that you think anywhere in your life that you always get fear, but you don't take any confidence when you start your journey. Why? Actually, why it's happen with you or also everyone? Yes, it happens with everyone because we always choose negativity. We always choose fear, not choose positivity. And that's why we can't speak in English. So please, from this today, remove your fear and talk to yourself. You know, when I start my journey, I am also talking with myself. And that's why I figure out my problems. I find out my mistake, that yes, in sentence, I mistake creating sentence. And that's why I solve my problem with automatically. And I find out my problems that yes, I have to fix the problem here. I have to solve the problem here. And day by day, you understand your problem. You understand yourself betterly. No one can understand you. You also understand. So yes, take a niche and talk to yourself. Talk with yourself with a niche and practice English with mirror. Practice English in front of your camera phones. That changes your life. Chapter number 3 is that what is the main benefit of create shadow or repeat yourself. You know, when you repeat yourself, I think you follow an English content creator, and that you practice your English after listening there, after reading their books. So really it is work or not? Obviously it works. You always follow an English content creator and follow their attitude, follow their gesture. That gonna help you, and that change your mindset. How they speak in English and how they create sentence, it's very important to understand. And you catch up their attention when you listening podcast, when follow content creator. So how you do that in your lives? From this today, you follow an English content creator like DOSC, the channel. I think the CEO of channel. This is a mainly created podcast, and this channel is very helpful because when you listen any video or watching any video, you get the best result to self improvement in your life, and how to be motivated, how to earn more money in your life. You also same things get this channel. So follow this channel. And yes, this is not any sponsor part. I'm also just reveal for yours that you speak in English and you improve your English frankly or easy way. Please start speaking English and practice every day and repeat after they are listening, and create a shadow technique. This means follow English content creator. And you also say, you follow myself, what I'm saying, my gesture, my attitude, that gonna help your life. Just not think that, no, hey, this is the village boy, why I am follow the content creator, why I am following, subscribe this village boy. No, this is your egotism. If you start your journey with small steps, you don't will go in exactly big steps. You have to start your journey with small steps, and this is the fastest or intelligent way to go in your future. Yes. Now we move on. Chapter number 4. Practice every day. Practice with yourself. You know, this is the ever fastest way to speak in English. You see, a cricketer like Virat Kohli, like Hardik Pandya, they always speak in English when they finish their match, and they speak in English. That sometimes any volunteer, they say that how you performance the match or how you do in the match. Exactly, they are saying in English. They mistake, but they speak in English. So you have to same thing. So how they speak in English fastly or confidently? I not say that they speak in properly or frankly or fluently. They speak confidently. So why you don't? Why you can't? Because you not practice. So if you practice, you can do the same thing. And don't get shame. Anyone start their journey with zero, and anyone start their journey with small steps, with small words, a small sentence. You don't go exactly with the big words. No, you can't do that. So you have to start your journey step by step, and you obviously do that. Well, how you practice? You practice with yourself and practice every day. Take a niche, and with this topic you create a short story. Just speak regularly. Yeah, it's sometimes maybe your sentence structure bad. You don't create a good sentence structure. Your sentence is very poor, sounds like funny. Don't matter. It's totally up to you. You try, you will get the best result. If you want to improve, you will too. So yes, always one thing, remember, the more you practice, the faster you will become what you want in your life. Your progress is your asset. Your mistake is your weapon. That yes, I want to do that, and I improve myself somehow in my lives. Someone say, don't matter. A subscriber or audience say about anything negatively in your task, in your activity, don't matter. You just practice with yourself that yes, I can do that something in my lives. By the ending of this video, I want to say you that one thing. Please start your journey from this today. If you want to speak in English frankly, don't overlook anywhere that someone say you can't do that. This is their opinion, this is their thinking ability about you, but you also think about yourself properly, and you are closer than you think. Be kind to yourself. Someone yourself you can't do that, don't believe. Just start your journey with confidence and ease. You always can do that. And when this work, these steps working in your real life, please remember me and let me know in my comment section that your suggestion is very helpful for myself. Well, now you know how to use the method in your real life, in your practice, and which small method you will take today. Let me know in my comment section. I am waiting for you, and I am also a beginner. If I make mistake for creating sentence, you find out and figure out my problems. Be happy, stay happy, and yes, be good.